At first, there was just silence. Not peace, but the kind of silence that swallows you. That echoes the question you've been too afraid to ask. How did I get here? I woke up in the woods. No trail, no map, no signal. Only questions and a never-ending sea of pine. There's something utterly terrifying about being alone. Not physically, but emotionally, existentially. It's not the wilderness that breaks you. No, it's what the wilderness reveals. It shows you everything you've been running from. You start to see the fears you've buried, the questions you've ignored, the truths you've traded for comfort. And that's when you meet the version of you you've been avoiding. The version of you that's not afraid to fall apart because he knows how to build himself again. You see, it's easy to talk purpose in a warm room. It's easy to say you're brave when you're not being tested. But out here, where it's quiet, where the sun takes its time, where the only sound is your own breath, this is where real decisions are made. Not in front of a crowd, not after the victory, but now. When you're scared, when you're shaking, when there's no one to clap for you and no one to blame, that's when you choose. You choose whether to shrink back into the dark or take one step forward into the light. You choose whether this is where the story ends or where it begins again. You're not lost. You're becoming. You're not broken. You're being forged. This is the place where you trade panic for purpose. You trade running for rising. You trade fear for fire. And maybe, just maybe, you were never meant to be found until you found yourself here. So for those who are lost, good. It means you're no longer pretending. It means it's time to begin.